Rainy River in northern Minnesota, and I have been using the Mr. Twister Sassy Swimmer, and we are catching some great walleyes up here using 1/4 ounce jigs, fishing from anywhere between 9 and about 13 feet of water, just really slowly moving along, and they are inhaling the baits. Great fish. We're gonna keep getting back to fishing. Just wanted to show you guys what we're doing out here, and if you want to come out here, I would highly recommend getting some Mr. Twister Sassy Swimmers and just start pounding some big walleyes.